Hello and welcome to the Steam Workshop. My name is Mark and I'm the engineer that has the pleasure of working on Effie. Over here, Effie is up on my rotisserie at the moment. Everything came back from Shop Blast quite a while ago now. It's been set up on a shelf. Had a couple of other projects in the mix, but now it's time to get restarted on the Effie project. Up on the shelves here, I've got a load of parts laid out. I've got the cylinders and pistons here. They've been measured to check tolerances. There's going to be some machining required there. All the valve chest components and cylinder covers are all in the boxes. I've got axle boxes, which were remade beginning of this year. Made new bearings for them. Also, I have made new suspension rubbers to go with. Down here, I've got the brassware. The brassware has been started on the polish up, so making everything nice and shiny, so it's all ready to go back on. Pressure gauge is all nice and shined up. That just needs a calibration. But yeah, I've been working through all of these small parts, getting them cleaned up. Over here, I've got some more small parts. I've got brake gear and nuts and bolts and whatnot. That is all in the process of getting cleaned. I have got metalwork back from the shop blasters, so we've got boiler cladding, got running boards. I've got the cab sides and the cab front. In the box here, I've got more components, things like the drag boxes and brake rigging. And here is Effie's frames. Currently, the boiler is away. Our boiler maker, because it needs new tubes and some new bushes making. That is an ongoing thing. I'll probably chase up the boiler maker next week and see where we're at with that. But the frames are up on my rotisserie and I've got one of the wheel sets in and I've been assembling the valve gear. Just making sure I've got all the components, checking its orientations. I've remade this way shaft here because the previous one was damaged. So new way shaft with keyways. So the reverser linkage actually does its job. But that's all been assembled so I can identify what pins need remaking and what bushes need replacing. Over here on my table, I have got the Effie plates. So I've got the name plates and the maker plates. They've been cleaned up, polished up and filled in with paint. There's another polish to go on. Once that paint's cured, that'll be next week now though. But yeah, it's been best part of a year. Well, 10 months since I last touched Effie. A couple of other projects have been going on in the workshops. But now it is time to get on with Effie and, yeah, hopefully get it running sharpish. Possibly early next year. Yeah, probably going to push to get it ready for the proper train season, holiday season in Cleethorpes. But yeah, it's just a laborious process going through and making sure everything's working. Anything that's damaged has been identified and been replaced where necessary. But yeah, really looking forward to getting my teeth into this project proper. And I'm sure you're looking forward to following along on this journey, courtesy of the Cleethorpes Coast Light Railway. As always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.